We're really intentionally positioned here in the community in Green Island, just south of Kelly Square. A lot of the people that come to our food pantry are individuals that are walking or just short drives. This isn't just an issue here in Worcester. We know that this is nationwide. People have significant food insecurities. People come from all kinds of different walks of life that are coming to our food bank. Joel Wallen, Associate Executive Director here at Pernet Family Health Service. One of the things that we do here at Pernet is we run a food pantry called an Emergency Assistance Program.
People need help. It's not a handout. It's help. Because most people that come here do have jobs. What do they call them? The working poor?
That with the rising cost of food, that people that are living on fixed income, they have some significant challenges. And so for them to be able to come here and again receive food and diapers, formula, feminine hygiene products, we know that's really important for them, and we're able to kind of meet some of their immediate needs. And then we can also serve as a point of contact and connect those families to other resources that we both have here at Pernet and a bunch of our partners throughout.
Pretty much general, whatever they need me, if I can do it. I don't believe in, that's not my job.
We really want to be able to see families supported and strengthened, right? So we know that in our emergency assistance program, again, that's kind of oftentimes the first way that we're engaging families. We want to be able to meet their immediate needs and then be able to provide them with additional supports if they need. So sometimes parents need parenting classes. Some of the children need help after school, so we run after school programs. We have an early intervention program to help kids 0 to 3 meet developmental milestones. So oftentimes they're coming in through the door through us, through our food pantry, but then they're able to get additional services. We're able to see that whole family unit strengthened, and then ultimately, be able to hopefully get to the point in their life where they might not need quite as many services.
I'm supposed to be here, man. I really feel that. When I got to this area, when I came back to Worcester about 10 years ago, was to get things back together. You know what I mean? And I would never think I would have done it in this city. When I called for help, man, it answered. It really did.
So our food pantry serves roughly 700 people each week. We're open twice a week. We end up distributing about 3,000 to 4,000 pounds of food each week.
I started picking up food here. Jill just asked me one week, "Hey, how do you feel about unloading a truck for us?" This was going on almost 10 years now. And I said, "Sure." And then when I showed up, she was surprised. Then they couldn't get rid of me after that. And I was only doing about 6 or 7 hours a week, sometimes 8. And when the shutdown came, it was sudden. It was just a big, huge, just wall that literally stopped in front of us. So it went from about 7 hours a week to about 30, 35 hours a week. Man, if it wasn't for people in the Commonwealth, donating, we wouldn't be here doing this. And if it wasn't for everybody, starting from the donors, we couldn't make this possible. This is a lot more than just handing out food to people. And it's not perfect. There are times here, man, where I just want to, what the heck am I doing here? Why? But then I get a smile from somebody, a thank you. They break down in tears. It's humbling. It's humbling. It is. I'm trying to tell people, everybody needs help. You can practice humility without getting humiliated.
We're always looking for people to be strategic partners with us. We have a really good relationship with the Worcester County Food Bank and some of the other local stores, Stop and Shop. And then individual donors and churches are a big part of how we're able to get the work done here. Really hope that people are able to engage, whether they need to be, at some point in their life, be recipients of services, right? We're open Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 9 to 3. And then if people want to contribute financially or in kinds, they can reach out to us on our website, or they can give us a call.
Whatever they had, whatever they provided, whatever was available, I put it to good use.